The story of our survival is written in the language of biology. It's the tale of how our bodies, shaped by millions of years of evolution, respond to the delicate dance of hunger, energy, and nourishment. But what happens when we unlock the hidden potential of fasting? Could it be that by returning to an ancient rhythm, we can transform our modern lives? For women, the journey is uniquely complex. Our bodies are finely tuned instruments, shaped by intricate hormonal cycles, metabolic processes, and ancestral survival mechanisms. In recent years, intermittent fasting, IF, has emerged as a powerful tool for improving metabolic health, weight management, and overall wellness. Yet, for women, the effects and benefits of intermittent fasting require special consideration. How do our unique physiological needs influence the impact of fasting? And what can we learn from the science of fasting as it relates to our biology? The transformation is not just about shedding weight or achieving a six-pack. It's about unlocking the metabolic potential that has been dormant for generations. It's about rediscovering balance, energy, and the power to take control of your own health. To understand why intermittent fasting works, it's crucial to first explore what we mean by metabolic health. Metabolism refers to the processes through which our bodies convert food into energy, repair cells, and maintain crucial functions. When we talk about metabolic health, we're referring to how well this system operates, how efficiently your body turns food into usable energy, and how it manages everything from blood sugar levels to fat storage. Metabolic dysfunction, on the other hand, is the breakdown of this finely tuned system. This can manifest as insulin resistance, obesity, high blood sugar, or hormonal imbalances. Metabolic dysfunction is at the heart of many chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. For women, the risks are often more pronounced due to the interplay of hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, and insulin. This is where intermittent fasting comes into play. One of the most important concepts when discussing intermittent fasting is insulin. Insulin is a hormone secreted by the pancreas in response to food intake, specifically carbohydrates. When you eat, especially foods high in sugar or refined carbs, your blood sugar levels rise, prompting the pancreas to release insulin. Insulin then signals your body to store excess sugar as fat. In the modern world, many of us are chronically exposed to high levels of insulin due to the constant consumption of processed foods and sugary drinks. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, where the body no longer responds to insulin properly. This is a major factor in the development of conditions like type 2 diabetes and obesity. But here's the fascinating part. When you engage in intermittent fasting, you give your body a break from constant insulin production. During fasting periods, insulin levels drop, and the body shifts from storing fat to burning it for energy. This is where the magic of fat burning begins. The science behind this is clear. Reducing insulin levels makes it easier for the body to access stored fat and use it as fuel. For women, this is even more significant. Women naturally tend to have more body fat than men, and hormonal fluctuations can make it more challenging to burn fat effectively. However, by fasting, women can harness the power of insulin sensitivity, which allows them to break down fat more efficiently and use it for energy. When we think about fat burning, we often picture an intense workout session or restrictive dieting, but fasting offers a unique path, a natural one, designed by our biology. During periods of fasting, your body begins to break down stored fat, turning it into ketones, a more efficient energy source for the brain and body. This process is called ketosis, and it's something that our ancestors relied on during times of food scarcity. For women, fasting offers a natural and sustainable way to enter ketosis without the need for extreme diets or harsh calorie restriction. The key to this transformation is understanding that our bodies are built to adapt. Evolutionarily, women were designed to thrive during periods of fasting, with our bodies storing fat as a protective mechanism to ensure survival during times of scarcity. This fat-burning process is also intricately tied to our hormonal cycles. During fasting, women experience a rise in growth hormone levels, which plays a crucial role in fat metabolism and muscle preservation. It's a delicate balance. Fasting helps you burn fat while preserving lean muscle mass, promoting overall health and vitality. Now let's dive deeper into the unique hormonal considerations for women. Our hormonal cycles fluctuate throughout the month, and these fluctuations can affect how we respond to fasting. The two key phases in a woman's cycle are the follicular phase, the first half of the cycle, and the luteal phase, the second half. These hormonal shifts are driven by estrogen and progesterone, which impact everything from mood to metabolism. During the follicular phase, when estrogen levels are higher, women may find it easier to fast, as their bodies tend to be more insulin sensitive. This phase is also marked by higher energy levels and improved fat-burning potential, making it an ideal time for intermittent fasting. Women may feel more energized, focused, and able to handle longer fasting windows. In contrast, during the luteal phase, when progesterone levels rise, women may experience increased hunger and cravings, making fasting more challenging. This phase can also be accompanied by fluctuations in energy, mood swings, and even water retention. It's during this phase that women may need to adjust their fasting protocols, opting for shorter fasting periods or a more flexible approach. But here's the important part. The body's ability to adapt to fasting is incredibly powerful. By paying attention to the hormonal fluctuations throughout the month, women can optimize their fasting schedule to align with their unique cycles. This is where the true power of intermittent fasting for women lies, the ability to tailor fasting to your own body's rhythm. One of the most profound benefits of intermittent fasting is the process of autophagy. Autophagy is the body's natural process of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. During fasting periods, when the body isn't focused on digestion and storing food, it shifts its attention to repairing and rejuvenating the cells. Autophagy is a powerful form of cellular detoxification that helps fight off aging, improve skin health, and protect against disease. The fascinating part is that autophagy doesn't just clean out old cells, it also promotes the creation of new, healthy cells. This process is essential for long-term health and vitality, and it's a key reason why intermittent fasting can be so transformative. For women, autophagy has additional significance. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at removing damaged cells, leading to a buildup of waste products that can contribute to chronic disease. By promoting autophagy through fasting, women can support their cellular health, improve their immune system, and potentially reduce the risk of age-related conditions like Alzheimer's and heart disease. The beauty of intermittent fasting is that it gives your body the opportunity to repair itself from the inside out. It's a cellular rebirth, a process that allows you to reclaim your health and vitality. But fasting isn't just good for the body, it's also incredibly beneficial for the brain. During fasting, your body produces ketones, which provide an alternative fuel source for the brain. Ketones have been shown to improve cognitive function, increase focus, and even protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. For women, brain health is a particularly important consideration, especially as we age. Hormonal changes, such as those during menopause, can have a significant impact on cognitive function. However, studies have shown that intermittent fasting may help protect against these cognitive declines by enhancing brain plasticity and improving memory and learning. In fact, research has suggested that fasting may increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that plays a crucial role in brain function and plasticity. By boosting BDNF levels, fasting may help enhance brain health, improve mood, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline as women age. At its core, intermittent fasting is more than just a dietary approach. It's a transformational journey. It's about reconnecting with our biology, understanding how our bodies have evolved to thrive during periods of scarcity, and harnessing the power of those ancient mechanisms in the modern world. For women, this journey requires mindfulness, understanding, and flexibility. By paying attention to hormonal rhythms, adjusting fasting protocols, and embracing the body's natural cycles, women can optimize their metabolic health and unlock the full potential of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't a quick fix. It's not about restriction or deprivation. It's about giving your body the time and space it needs to heal, repair, and transform. It's about unlocking a new level of health, energy, and vitality that's been waiting within you all along. If you found this journey compelling, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more in-depth, science-backed content on health and wellness. Your journey to metabolic health begins with knowledge, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Now is the time to take control of your health. If you're ready to start your journey toward metabolic health and experience the transformative power of intermittent fasting, we have an exciting resource for you. Check out the ebook link below and unlock the secrets to achieving your health goals. This is your moment to reclaim your energy, balance, and vitality. Take the first step toward a healthier, stronger you, because your health is worth the investment.